Welcome back, students. Good evening. In this lecture, we are going to discuss an nth derivative of y is equal to e raised to m sin inverse x in such a way that it is in the form of, you need to find out nth derivative in the form of 1 minus x square into yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 into x yn plus 1 minus n square plus m square into yn is equal to 0. First, students, working procedure is first find out y1, then y2, and differentiate n times for y2. You will get yn plus 2. This. Similarly, yn plus 1 and yn terms. So let us start. Differentiate y with respect to x. It will become y1 e raised to m sin inverse x. Again, by using chain rule, m sin inverse x is m into sin inverse x is square root of 1 minus x square. For better simplifier, for finding the y2, we need the value of y1 in most simplified form. For that, we are going to cross multiply. Square root of 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to, this total value is the same as y into m. Next step, we are squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, students. Okay. This is 1 minus x square into y1 square is equal to m square into y square. So now differentiate again. So here to differentiate, we are using product rule here, student. 1 minus x square is function of x, y1 is again functions of x, okay, itself a derivative. So for that, we are applying product rule uv. So 1 minus x square, differentiation of y1 square is 2y1, again y1 is y2, plus second function y1 square, differentiation of 1 minus x square is 1 is 0 minus 2x. The right side m square into differentiation of y square is 2y into y1. So now in both the term I am going to take 2y1 common. So 1 minus x square into y2 remaining minus xy1. 2y1 into y1 square is equal to m square into 2y1 y. 2y1 get cancelled. So 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 minus m square y equal to 0. Bring this term into left side. Fine. After getting y2, so differentiate n times. So this is nth derivative of 1 minus x square into y2. So nth derivative of sum is sum of nth derivative minus nth derivative of xy1 minus, take m square constant outside, nth derivative of y is equal to, right side nth derivative of 0 is 0 itself. Okay, fine. So next, student, look at now. Here nth derivative of product of two functions. So for that we have Leibnitz theorem, student. What is Leibnitz theorem? Leibnitz theorem for nth derivative. Nth derivative for product of two functions. That is nth derivative of uv is that is nc0 uvn plus nc1 u1 vn minus 1 plus nc2 u2 into vn minus 2 plus 1. Or this is also same as nc0 is 1 uvn, nc1 is n, u1 into vn minus 1, nc2 is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into u2 into vn minus 2. Next nc3 u3 vn minus 3 plus 1. Students, now observe carefully. Here it's a product of two term u into v. Okay. This is also uv. Two times we are going to apply Leibnitz theorem. For that, to make very simplified form, I am writing in the first term u is equal to what? 1 minus x square and v is equal to y. So what is here? What are the requirements? We need u1, u2. What is u1? Minus 2x. 1 is 0. Minus 2x. What is u2? Minus 2. What is u3, student? 0. What is vn? Nth derivative of y2 is yn plus 2. Next, n minus 1. What is vn minus 1, student? It is yn is yn plus 2. Yn minus 1 is yn plus 1. And what is vn minus 2 is just yn. Okay, next for this, u is x, v is y1. What is u1? 1. What is u2? 0. What is vn? Yn plus 1. What is vn minus 1? Just yn. Differentiation of nth derivative of y1 is yn plus 1. That is vn. So in this term, change n to n minus 1 means n plus 1 is become yn, decreased by 1. Now look at this one. Product of two terms. Applying this, first u is 1 minus x. I told you already you need to use these two. Product of these two. U vn. U is 1 minus x square into yn plus 2 plus n into u1 vn minus 1. Differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. It is decreased by 1. That is yn plus 1. Just multiply u into vn, u1 into vn minus 1. But you should write this coefficient. Plus this will become n square minus n divided by 2. What is u2? Minus 2. Otherwise, 1 minus x square, differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x, minus 2x differentiation is minus 2, into vn minus 2 is yn, plus or minus, minus. Again, u, nth derivative of y is yn plus 1, these two, plus n into differentiation of x is 1, these two, u1 into vn minus 1, yn. So next derivative becomes 0. 1 is differentiation is 0, that's what we are stopping here. Minus n square, nth derivative of y is yn. Right side nth derivative of 0 is 0. Fine students, I am writing one more step here. Okay, I am expanding this. 1 minus x square into yn plus 2 minus 2nx yn plus 1. 2 to get cancelled. Minus sign outside. N square minus n into yn minus xyn plus 1 minus nyn minus m square yn equal to 0. Fine. So we are on the last step, students. First write this term, that is 1 minus x square into yn plus 2. Next collect yn plus 1 terms. How many yn plus 1 terms are there? There are 2. In these two, what is common? Minus is common and xyn plus 1 is common. Okay. What is remaining here? 2n. That's here, that is plus 1. Next, in the third, fifth, sixth term, minus yn is common. That is what is remaining here, n square minus n. By taking minus n outside, this is plus n plus m square. So minus plus get cancelled, minus n plus n. So finally 1 minus x square into yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 into xyn plus 1 minus n square plus m square into yn is equal to 0. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.